Hey, this is Dr. John Burroughs at Springs Aesthetics. We're gonna, on the same young, lovely lady here, help with some wrinkle line areas that are bothering her. Go ahead and raise your forehead. She's not happy with those. Now relax. So we're gonna put in just a little bit there and a little bit here. You don't want to give too much, and that's where hers mostly shows up. The muscles that cause those actually split, but because hers are fairly central there can be variations from patient to patient, so it's likely her muscles come in closer together there than in some people where it splits wide. Now squeeze your brows. She doesn't like that, okay, relax now, that unhappy look between her brows like she's frowning at people, so we can relax this area. If you have the 11s, it helps with those, and if you don't have the 11s yet, it helps you not get them, so it's good for that. Works for about 3 months, sometimes 4 months in this area, up to 6 months on the forehead. Now, to help the brows come up a little bit here, you can give a little bit at the edges here. Not much. She doesn't need much. And then same thing on this side here. And especially when you give it up here, it just helps give a nice subtle lift. The part I didn't show earlier is there's a muscle here that when you're doing a Botox brow lift you want to get, because it's called the Depressor Superciliaris. And it's a commonly missed area on patients that get this that you want to get. So you can get it by going in a little bit closer to the rim here. You don't want to go too much inside the rim because there's an oblique muscle that moves your eye and it can give some bad double vision. I've never seen it with this, but it could happen. And then down around her mouth, you can give a nice little gentle upturn. Can you do this for me? Yeah. So you go out about 1 centimeter, down about 1.5 centimeters, and you only need to give just a few units there. You don't want to go in too far or their lip's going to not move right and they're not going to be happy. Do that little movement again. But this is fantastic to give just a nice little gentle upturn. The Botox starts kicking in within 2 to 3 days, and the maximal effect is about 2 to 3 weeks. Thanks for tuning in.